private diner. Welcome.
Hi, Renee. Look at Renee.
Renee, girl, what's up? How you doing?
Private dining.
Yeah.
It's the first time we out here by ourselves or anywhere.
What's it called? Bellaterra? What was that, Bellaterra? The Bellaterra Resort in Huntington Beach. Free ducks. Now, if you order the Peking duck, they just come out here and grab them and throw them on the grill for you. Nobody wants orange chicken. We got heat lamps. We good. We good. We good. Checks in. Cheesecake is getting purchased. Ooh, gave up the restaurant name. Yeah, we plowed through this table. This is done. You're done. Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to the WilHemi show. Special edition today. We're just lounging. Just had a really good meal. Spent the better portion of this morning replacing my radiator on the Chrysler, the venerable Chrysler 300 SRT8. My radiator cooling issues with this car have been long and storied. It began with an exploding radiator shortly after the purchase. I'm sorry, exploding fan. And we covered that one. It fan blew up, grenaded, punched a hole in the radiator, and let all the fluid out. First time doing a radiator replacement on this car. This was years ago. This is like 2019. And, you know, put in a nice Mishimoto, all aluminum, 2-row. Rolled on that for a good long time till it sprouted a leak. Dripping out slowly after you cut it off. You know, you see a puddle. So I ended up replacing that with a standard kind of generic 3-row all aluminum radiator from eBay. That one lasted maybe 2 years. Sprung a leak. Little tiny leak, leaving puddles everywhere. Now, when the first Mishimoto went bad, I sent it back. They offer full lifetime warranty, right? So I told them this one's trash. They said, don't worry about sending it back. We're going to send you another one. So I got another one in a box that's been sitting on my patio for about 4 years. I was going to give it away, but I decided not to. I just kept it. I didn't, I was going to do a giveaway or something. But I just so happened to keep it. I never got around to it. Well, last week, started noticing puddles under the 300 again. That beautiful, thick 3-row all aluminum radiator had sprung a leak. Now, I did go through some fan issues, so it overheated on me a few times. I got up in the 240s, you know what I mean? So I don't know if that was the cause or not. But this morning, went outside, put in the 2-row Mishimoto replacement all aluminum radiator. We're gonna see how long this one lasts. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. Has anybody had any long-term success with an all-aluminum radiator? Please get in the comments. Let me know your experiences. I'm really wanting to know. I got a friend with a tricked out turbo Grand Cherokee SRT8 WK1 like mine, but way faster, way more done to it. He's about to put one in. He asked me, should I throw this one in here? Now, I got one in my Jeep too. Sprang a leak, send it back. They gave me another one that's sitting in my patio waiting for this stalker that's in my Jeep now to go. But has anybody around the world, please comment and we'll discuss it in the next video. What is your experience with all aluminum radiators? Have you ever had one last more than a couple years before spraying a leak? And I'm talking about from the core. It's not the hose, it's not the ends, it's not any welds, it's from the core. Every time I've had one, it's right in the middle. You can't even see it. You don't know where it's coming from until it makes its way down and onto the ground or to the underbody panels of the car. Just tell me. I really love to know. And you know, give me a nice little story. Let me know what you think, because I mean, I don't know. I'm about to go back to stock radiators, because my stock radiators last forever. Now they always come apart eventually, years down the line. The stock radiator, the sides will come off. That's what always happens. You know, no clue. Or the plastic part will crack, the hose inlet or something like that. But these aluminum radiators, they always leak from the core, and I don't know why that is. Stock radiators don't ever seem to leak from the core. So, just give me a little insight on that. I'd appreciate it. Get them comments and subscribe to the channel, and then we'll come back on and we'll discuss your issue. We'll discuss it and see if it's worth buying these things. I know they're good for racing, because you get 2 or 3 races out of it. You're rebuilding the motor and that's it. So you don't really care how long it lasts. But I mean, efficiency, I guess it's better. I'm thinking it's gonna last forever because there's no plastic on it, but that ain't the case. But anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know what your experiences is, and we'll follow up in the next video. Thank you for watching.